Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is that time of year again where we want to come back outside because the sun is out and we got to get our back patios together. So if you're like me, over the winter and the latter part of last year during hurricane season, my back patio really had some trauma happen. We are in Florida, so y'all see some of our roof panelings have come off from the winds and some of the storms that came through, and then also all of the rain. We got some real cleaning up to do back here, so that's what we're about to do today. Hope this video just serves as some inspiration for you guys to get out there, get your back patio situated so we can get back out and enjoy the sun. So let's do it. So before we get started with the makeover, we had to do a little bit of shopping first. So we ran over to our new BJ's that just opened up next to us, and I am loving it. They have all of the summer decor, furniture, and everything that you need. We picked up a few items from there. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to tell you guys where I got the items from. I am not able to list them because they also don't have links either, but you will see them in the video. So this is just so you guys will know where I picked the items up from. All right, so let's get back over to the makeover. All right, so just an overall view of what we are dealing with here. As y'all can see, the rug has had it. Y'all, this is probably like the third or fourth rug I've put out here, and every time it ends up looking like this, just from the rain, and then it ends up just black, disgusting. And our panels, we lost some of our roof panels. We had quite a few storms to come through here, and those roof panels came out, but it's okay. We have them here. We're going to put them back up today, and then we're going to get this patio situated. So this has just been kind of a drop zone for things. We recently have a new family member, and this was the cage that he came in, but we had to get a new one. So we just got to get rid of all of this, get everything cleaned out, redecorate it, and get it back to being the nice oasis that it was just last year. Alright, so y'all can see we're done pressure washing. It looks 10 times better. So while I'm just going to wait for that to dry a little bit, I'm going to plant some new flowers inside of these. I've already cleaned them out. I'm just going to put some flowers around it just to add some color to it. But the patio is coming back to life, you guys. This is what we love to see. Say what?
You want me to spray up there?
What? No, because if you do that, it's just going to be dripping down. All right, so I just wanted to come on and give you guys a quick tip. So I purchased this artificial turf from BJ's and it wasn't as large as I thought. So I ended up having to get two. So if I get close here in the center, right here, you'll see it is two pieces. However, and these creases you see is because we just unrolled it. So once it fluffs out, it'll be fine. However, the tip is whenever you lay the rugs down, make sure that the fibers are going in the same direction. That way it looks like one piece instead of two separate pieces. When I put the second piece down and I had the fibers going the opposite way, you could literally see the transition, like it looked completely wrong. But this way it looks like one full piece. So that is just a pro tip. All right, you guys, we are done. That is it. I am tired because the sun is not playing. It is going to be a hot summer, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said at the beginning, I hope this inspires you to get out there and get your backyard area together so that you can enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
A face full of grass. It's about to be spitting out grass. Go ahead, Serena.
Yeah. See? That's how you're supposed to do it.
Could have got that. She did.